Hi everyone and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about PCA's Creamy Cleanser. I love this cleanser. It's a delicate, gentle, hydrating, creamy cleanser that effectively removes grime and makeup without stripping the skin of its essential moisture. Your skin is left feeling soft and hydrated. Creamy Cleanser contains a nourishing blend of roseseed oil, aloe and amino acids which promote radiance and provide antioxidant protection to neutralize free radicals and help promote radiant and younger looking skin. Now, Creamy Cleanser is suitable for all skins, especially sensitive, reactive conditions, dry and aging skin concerns. It would be used morning and night. You would apply a small amount to damp skin and massage into a foaming lather, rinse with warm water and pat dry. Now, the Creamy Cleanser works great with your smoothing toner over the top, and then you would apply your moisturiser. And just a little tip, you could use this in the shower to save time and can be used to remove makeup. So if you would like to purchase the PCA Creamy Cleanser, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or simply click on the link below. Also, I'd just like to mention that at Skinmart we are doing face-to-face video consultations which can be organised online. Thank you and have a great day.